Let's talk about these scales, these what we call levels of organization. At the top, you have the organism. Now, not orgasm. That's ANP2. So, the organism is made out of organ systems. You have a digestive system. You have a nervous system. You have a cardiovascular system. There's 11 different organ systems. We're going to get about half of them in ANP1, and we'll cover the other half in ANP2. Each organ system is made out of different organs. You take your digestive system. Most people are familiar with that one. Give me some of the organs in the digestive system. Yeah, stomach, small intestines, esophagus. What else? Gallbladder.
Is that your pancreas in your digestive?
Pancreas.
Large intestine.
Large intestine. Yeah. What else? What's connected to the gallbladder? Liver. Yeah. Okay. There you go. So this is not even all of them, but all of these individual structures are organs in that organ system. And all of these do something to help us digest our food. Now, the pancreas is actually a member of two different organ systems. Anybody know what the other one is? Endocrine, yeah. This is also a member of the endocrine system.
It's like if you have diabetes, you see an endocrinologist.
Exactly, yeah. Because 99%, you go girl, 99% of the tissue in the pancreas is devoted to digestive functions. The pancreas produces a lot of digestive enzymes that help break down your food, and those enzymes are secreted into the small intestines. We'll talk about that in ANP2. But 1% of the tissue is actually what we call endocrine tissue. It produces hormones, insulin, glucagon, which you probably haven't heard of, and a couple of other ones. These are the two biggies. So you can have organs that multitask. Now, each organ is made up of different tissues. The tissue on the if you picked the stomach up and looked at it, the surface of that stomach is made out of something called connective tissue. If you peel the connective tissue off, underneath that is muscle tissue. In between the layers of muscle tissue is some nervous tissue. And then the inner lining of the stomach is epithelial tissue. So all of the organs in your body are made out of a combination of only 4 types of tissues: connective, epithelial, muscle, and nervous tissue. Now, what exactly is a tissue? Well, it's that thing you use to blow your nose, right? No, a tissue is actually a bunch of cells hooked together. So if we take the epithelial tissue, we're looking at the lining of the stomach. What you have are a bunch of cells. You put those cells together, and that forms a tissue. And then the cells, each cell, is made out of a whole bunch of different chemicals. Things like the cell's going to have DNA in it. You have DNA in the nucleus. It's going to have some lipids. It's going to have some carbohydrates. It's going to have some proteins. It's going to have some water. All kind of stuff put together. All kind of chemicals put together to make a cell. So if you put the right set of chemicals together, you get a cell. You put the right kind of cells together and you get a... You put the right kind of tissues together and you get a... You put the right set of organs together and you get a... And you put the right set of organ systems together and you get a...